and we're on our way. I don't know how long this coach journey is going to take, and there's all the issues with the Dover ferries and everything, so let's fingers crossed that we actually make it, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Guys, after 30 hours of being on a coach, we've finally arrived in Italy, in Rimini, and we're in our hotel room. I've just got changed for the beach. This is my outfit, got all my beach stuff in there, and yeah, I'll show you the rooms. Obviously it's not too crazy, it's obviously a student holiday, but it works perfectly fine, and we've just been unpacking, and yeah, now we're gonna hit the beach. Say hi. Hiya. Okay, so we've got 2 bunk beds there, just 2 singles there, just things up there, and if you can't tell what our room number is, then yeah. And then we've got all our stuff already unpacked and everything, and then we've got a toilet around there. Well, this is nice. Yay! So we're back from a nice afternoon at the beach. We pretty much did nothing other than sit around, drink, dip our toes in the ocean because it was a little bit nippy. And yeah, now we're back. We're gonna have dinner at some random place called George's or something. And then I'm gonna get changed out of my outfit into my Freshers Unknown netball outfit. And
I know.
Fee knows because she's a returner, but she's not gonna tell me shit. So even though it's really weird because I'm like literally in my 5th year at uni, but I'm technically a tour fresher, so I still got to do it, and it's going to be really fun. Don't know what's in store, but yeah. Not sure how we're feeling about our expensive pasta meal that we paid 400 quid for. Looks like something I could have made. I'm not saying something because I'm a rubbish cook. So the foods have been cleared away. How did we feel about it?
It's like a 3 out of 10, a bit dry.
Yeah.
Wasn't much flavour. That was the issue.
I mean, I don't think that it's not any credit to the chef. I feel like that iLoveTour just chose the most cheapest option for the restaurant to do, and yeah, basically the restaurant didn't even know what was going on. Nobody knew what was happening. So
I would love a glass of water though.
It would be nice. It would be nice. We got a glass of Diet Coke, which I'd say was at least half a glass. No alcohol, no nothing. So this is good. This is good. But the restaurant staff are really nice and really rate them, and they're very friendly, so do rate that. Having a second meal, that's another restaurant. And I've got an Aperol Spritz. Yum, yum, yum. So very, very interesting news is that we found out that we're not actually having a netball tournament tomorrow, which means we won't be playing netball at all on this netball tour. So another great, fantastic announcement from iLoveTour, which we're convinced that they knew before and just didn't tell us. So the vibes are not great at the moment, I can't lie. But I'm ready for my Freshers social. I'm just in like a plain white top and then some shorts. I'm not actually sure what the total theme is, as I sort of mentioned earlier. I basically don't really know what's happening tonight, but I'm sure it'll be fun, and hopefully the vibes pick up tonight and tomorrow.
One for not finding her charger.
This one's on the last opportunities tonight.
Hey guys, Editing Emma here. So I was trying to film day 1 and 2 together, so I totally forgot to do an ending to day 1, as well as the fact that I was extremely drunk that night. But I did have a really good first day getting there, and it was really nice that we had the full day to just go and chill on the beach. Just had such a nice experience doing that. But yeah, all in all, was a really, really great first day to start with in Rimini. I had such a great time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and so you do not miss day 2, 3 and 4, which are coming very, very shortly. So I'll see you then. Bye.